As the US Air Force embarks on a new effort to field a replacement for the MQ-9 Reaper drone, multiple defense companies are stepping up with new, long-range, stealthy design concepts for the emerging MQ Next competition. Northrop Grumman and Lockheed Martin released renderings of their respective offerings for the Air Force's MQ Next program. Northrop made public its swarming SG-2 concept, and Lockheed announced its flying wing design. General Atomics put out a concept drawing of a next-generation uncrewed aerial system. For the past 2 decades, the Air Force has relied on the MQ-1 Predator and then the MQ-9 Reaper, both made by General Atomics, as its workhorse drones for surveillance and strike missions in the Middle East. But as more commercial drone makers enter the fray, it may become more economical and effective to operate a family of unmanned aerial vehicles, with some built for high-end penetrating strike and reconnaissance missions, and others for low-end surveillance from commercial off-the-shelf manufacturers, said Will Roper, the Air Force's top acquisition official. The Air Force issued a request for information to industry on June 3, 2020, seeking market research on available technologies as well as conceptual designs. Boeing and Kratos each confirmed they responded to the request for information, but have not released concept art for their potential offerings. General Atomics, Lockheed, and Northrop have begun to shed light on their respective designs. Northrop's flying wing design bears a close resemblance to the X-47B, the company designed for the Navy, including using the same distributed autonomy or responsive control flight management system, which allows for operators to task multiple drones to fly autonomously according to parameters set by the user. However, the aircraft is just one potential concept that Northrop could develop for the MQ Next family of systems. The General Atomics concept features a stealthy, long-winged, jet-powered air vehicle, a departure for the turboprop-powered MQ-9 Reaper. Dave Alexander, president of General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, said that the aircraft's survivability and endurance, which is significantly longer than the Reaper, will be defining characteristics for the company's offering. Alexander also pointed to internal investments made by the company's aeronautics division and its electromagnetic systems group on advanced propulsion systems, though he declined to say more about potential engine advancements. Keeping costs down will also be an important factor. Lockheed Martin's operational analysis has found that an optimal force mix of drones will require high-end aircraft and low-cost, expandable systems that can operate in swarms. The company's next-generation unmanned aerial system concept art features a tailless, stealthy, flying wing design geared toward the high-end fight. Although Lockheed may put forward less exquisite systems depending on the Air Force's final requirements. However, survivability alone will not be enough. The Air Force has made clear that any future air system must plug into the service's advanced battle management system and export data across that system. Lockheed also plans to develop the drone using digital engineering to lower the total cost. The General Atomics MQ-9 Reaper, sometimes called Predator B, is an unmanned aerial vehicle capable of remotely controlled or autonomous flight operations developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, primarily for the United States Air Force. The MQ-9 is the first hunter-killer unmanned aerial vehicle designed for long-endurance, high-altitude surveillance. The MQ-9 is a larger, heavier and more capable aircraft than the earlier General Atomics MQ-9 Predator. It can be controlled by the same ground systems used to control MQ-1s. The Reaper has a 650 shaft horsepower turboprop engine. The greater power allows the Reaper to carry 15 times more ordnance payload and cruise at about 3 times the speed of the MQ-1. The aircraft is monitored and controlled by air crew in the ground control station, including weapon employment. The USAF operated 195 MQ-9 Reapers as of September 2016 and plans to keep the MQ-9 in service into the 2030s.